Pleasant morning to all of you. This is the finished work of Group 3. We are Jan Angelo Palabok and Lunas Bautista. And the camera woman is Mother Bunagua. What is function, Rene? Function is a special type of relation in which element in the domain is mapped to exactly one element in the ring. Give the example of function. This is the three type of relation. One-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-one. In this relation, the function is one-to-one and many-to-one because the domain in this relation is not repeated. This is the example of one-to-one. I give some example of ordered coordinates. 1 and 2, negative 5 and 3, 4 and 5. The domain is the first coordinate. The domain are 1, negative 5 and 4. The range are the second coordinate, 2, 3, and 5. This is what we call one-to-one. And this is the example of many-to-one. 1 and 2, 4 and 2, 3 and 5. The domain are 1, 4, 3. The range is 2 and 5. This is what we call many to one. One to many is not example of function because its domain are repeated. Like this. This is the example. 2, 5, 3, 4, 2, 3. The domain are 2 and 3. The range are 3, 4, 5. The element in the range is repeated. And the domain are repeated. And that is not function.